With Salesforce for Indirect Sales, you can better manage your partners and drive channel growth. Channel sales leaders have full visibility into their indirect sales business, using tiered programs to give incentives to strategic partners. You can give your partners, like resellers, distributors, dealers, and agents, a one-stop shop for everything they need, with guided onboarding so they can get up to speed fast, access to product resources, pre-built marketing campaigns, and market development funds, the ability to log service cases for themselves or customers, even analytics so they can track their own performance. You can make partners a true extension of your internal sales teams by giving them access to sales records and quoting capabilities, so you can collaborate in real time to close more deals faster. Creating a partner portal is easy. Just select a template that's pre-configured with the workflows you need. Customize it with clicks, not code. And even use CRM data to personalize the experience for every partner. Now, you can manage the entire partner lifecycle on one agile platform and empower partners to accelerate your channel growth with Salesforce for Indirect Sales.